Hello Internet, I'm back with a new story. This is about how I transitioned from Adobe to whatever it is out there as an open source editing software. And today I was working with my MacBook in-house photo app and I'm so shocked and I'm so loving this. So this is how it goes. I can't afford anymore to pay for subscription to Adobe Creative Suite, so I switched over to Darktable and Gimp in the past. I was working with them, and since I'm a Nikon shooter, I shoot RAW. Nikon NX Studio was a better place for me to go for, and I can do the organizing and all that sort of things that I would do in Lightroom. It was so basic. And yesterday I bought my new Mac Mini, and I was working with transferring all the photos and all that, and then I was really shocked to see there's more improvement. I came in, it was right under my nose. Anyway, the new photo app is so powerful. It has all the elements, editing features. If you have worked with Lightroom, you can actually see all the elements, basic editing tools that you will have in Lightroom. It's already there in the photo app. You can do noise corrections, sharpening, light corrections, color corrections, but it is not that intuitive as like, for example, there's no mask. For instance, you can't do a mask and then do a specific edit or specific corrections to a specific area. That is not possible here. It's still a basic, but I wouldn't say it's so basic. It's more like between basic and advanced, not a pro version anymore. I mean, it's not a pro. It comes with an overall light corrections, brilliance, exposure, highlights. It's all pretty basic, and it works as an overall image. Yeah, and then it has its own grouping of elements. You can do some adjustments, and then if you see that return key next to the auto, if you make any mistakes there, you can just do an undo over there. You can go back and then just undo for the specific elements. You don't have to Control Z anymore, Command Z, and then just come to the history. It's just over there for each elements. And this is my first attempt, so I want to try how this works. So this is not my professional level or a final version edit. This is something I did it for fun and to make this video. And this one got some color selective approach. Like, you can pick a drop down pin and select a color, and from there you can adjust the saturation, hue, or luminance, and that's possible. And sharpening, again, in Lightroom is more variety to do the sharpening method, but this is single point, and I mean, it's not that great, but still the function is there. It's still developing. And to my surprise, the cleanup came in. Like, it was a boom to me. When I hit cleanup for the first time, it was downloading something. I didn't know what was it, and then after it downloaded, it just gave me some flashes. I thought it was something else, but then it was really the spot removal as in the other softwares. And now look at that. It's clearly it has came so far, and this is working really good for a in-house photo app. That's pretty decent. And if I close this back and come back, it's still awesome. And one of the things that I was missing a lot from Lightroom is the ability to do the watermark in my photos, or brand my photos. This is something I did with the help of some other YouTubers to create a shortcut app, and then you can just import your edited photo and overlay your watermark on top of that. Just do some basic opacity and a trackpad. Zoom in and zoom out is horrible, but still something is there in-house, right? So I don't want to go online to do this or install a dedicated software just to make an watermark. And one more tip, this is how I do upload my edited photos online from my desktop, from my desktop. I use the Meta's Business Suite. Just want to check on something here if everything is correct. And see, like it said, when I editing was done and after removing those spots, it was flawless. And this is how I do it. I open from MacOS Business Suite and then upload my image there, and that's actually easy for me to do this uploading rather than uploading to my phone and from there uploading to Facebook or Instagram platform. And if I am really like lazy or something, what I do, I just use ChatGPT, upload the image to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write a caption about what it is and give me some more exposure, and just copy that and paste it in my Instagram feed, and that's it. There you go. And that's the story. Enjoy.